Every time I get a new package, I feel like it's Christmas. Hey YouTube! Alright, today we're going to be doing an unboxing of my new bunda. Mind you, we just made a smoothie with the old bunda, which was it was made by Instapot, a hot and cold bunda by Instapot with the Ace Nova. But we not here about that, we here about Ninja, baby. Cause let me tell you something about Ninja. I love me some Ninja, yes I do, okay? I love me some Ninja. And I was going to get the Ninja Foodie. It's like 3 different Ninja Foodies. But it's the one that you could chop. And it's like 200 and some change. It wasn't going on sale. And I really needed the bunda because my old bunda was breaking on me. So I said, you know what? Let me just get this $80 bunda from BJ's. Yup, $80. Sure was. Because you know I got to have the Carfax, right? You see what that says? That was $79.99, $88.86 with tax, okay? I paid $8 for this bundle at BJ's. This is why I love BJ's, I love Costco's, I love all y'all, because y'all give us some crazy deals, okay? When I looked up this bundle on Best Buy, mind you, I'm a Total Tech member. It was like $120. Kohl's won $120. Listen, I'll take my $8 bundle, okay? So let's unbox this baby. So I just want to let you guys know, this is the Ninja Professional Plus Bunda Duo. And it's supposed to have Auto IQ. Auto IQ means basically this bunda has a brain. So it's going to know when it is not blending everything, when everything is not crushed properly. Like, the bunda is just smart, okay? Me personally, I feel like this is a downgrade from my old bunda. Listen, to each his own, but it is what it is. It has the smoothie option, the ice crush, the extract option, low, medium, high, and pulse, okay? And it also has, what I like about this though, is that one thing about Ninja, they gonna come with the detachments, okay? It's detachable, so instead of using this big thing, I can use this right here, and I can have a to-go cup, which is so cute. Like, thank you, Ninja. You guys are like so cute. Like, I just love Ninja, and I want you to know I don't get paid for this, okay? I would love to partner with Ninja though. I'm just gonna put that out there, but yeah. So it is another model number that comes with the process cutter also, but I don't need all that, and I already got enough stuff in my kitchen, so the less the better. Yeah. Okay. So now that we have opened that, you already know Ninja. If you don't know about Ninja and you're new, one thing Ninja is known for is always coming through with the quick start guide. Like, and for a person like me who don't like to read, I love me a quick start guide, okay? Like, yes. Thank you, Ninja. So the first thing we have is, oh, hell no, see, look, it fell. Let me tell you something about that blade that's in here. It's sharp. They not getting me in. But it fell in the bag though. But still, you gotta be very careful with this, guys, because this blade, I'm about to show you it right now, is very sharp, okay? Please be very careful when you... I don't like that it wasn't attached properly. But yeah, this is the blade, and it's very sharp. Now, I'm excited for this top. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. I'm excited for this top because this top has this little opener so you could just pour it. My other one did not have that. Like, you had to take the whole top off. And it has like this child lock release to open it. Like, you have to press the release button. Ninja, let me tell you something. Y'all getting me excited because I was sad. Okay. But like, how do I... Alright, that's released to open it, but how do I put it back down? You know? Oh, you gotta put it on there to put it back down. Okay. Alright. We learning together, y'all. We learning. Alright, so these is the cups that I was telling you guys that I'm excited about. And I looked it up. These cups is like $30 online. It has the to-go for when you want to take it on the go. It has that beautiful ninja logo, and it says maximum 21 ounces of liquid into this cup. What I don't like about this is that it's plastic, and then that's plastic. I don't like plastic blenders. I'm not a plastic smoothier. Like, I don't care how durable the plastic is. No, my last blender was glass, so we just go try to keep that pushing. But yes, this is the second cup that it comes with. And this one has the blade. That just totally disappointed me. Like, I'm really trying not to get New York up in here, but listen, Ninja, you gotta do better, baby. And basically, you would put the fruits in here. You would screw this on like this, and then it goes upside down, and it attached to the main brain of the smoothie, and then it just okay. Appreciate the extra accessories though, because listen, I pay my money, my hard-earned working money. I don't get paid for this stuff yet, and even when I do, I work for this stuff, so still. Oh, and it gives you, oh, this is nice, another to-go cup, because this one has the blade. So I was wondering that too, how many lids do it give you. That's nice. That was nice, Ninja. And now we have the brain, Pinky and the brain. Ha 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 ha. The way this would work, right? Sorry. The way this would work is this would, you gotta lock it. Yeah, there you go. Now it's locked. And then it would go, you see? Alright, that's the way it would work. But like I said, we had the smoothie, the ice crush, the extract. We have low, medium, high, pulse. And like I said, it's supposed to have a brain. So, y'all know what we gotta do next, right? Of course we gotta test this baby out. We gonna make a smoothie. Yes, we is. Alright? So, let's go to the kitchen. Okay. So, I learned that with this top to use the blender, it's mainly for intense drinks. But if you're just like smoothie to go, I feel like this cup is best. And I'm happy that it came with two of these, 2 cups and 2 tops. So that's really handy dandy. But I really feel like for smoothie wise, it gets all up in there. One thing that I do love about this blender versus my old blender, I can put it in, press start, and walk away, and it has the IQ. So it knows when everything is done blending in the blender. Love it. That's my favorite feature. For $80, you can't beat it. Like, you really can't. But we're going to make a smoothie. So right now what we're going to make is my Get Well smoothie, because I caught a cold over the weekend. I'm going to be using this cup for my Get Well smoothie. So let's get it. Yep. Okay, so we have our smoothie mix. Okay, and you want to make sure that this is really tight, because if not, it's not gonna. And you have to snap it in, like you have to twist it in. It shows you right here which way to twist it. I always do low, because this is a very powerful machine, so I always do low. And
And boom, you see. And boom, you see how it stopped by itself? I didn't touch anything. That means that it's done blending. That's that IQ. That's that IQ. So as you can see, it's nice and liquidy. Nice and liquidy. Don't want too much because it's not a advertising drink. It's to get better when you don't feel well. So yeah, give me all the good stuff. It's good. Very gingery, but that's how I wanted it because I'm sick. Now, before I finish out this video, the smoothie was great. But I also want to let you guys know that on the bottom of this unit, there were suction cups. I got these off of Amazon. It's for kitchen appliances, for when you want to move them so they don't mess up your counters. I would definitely invest into these if you plan on buying this blender. But I will give it a 8 out of 10. I don't like the fact that it's plastic, because my last blender was glass, but it is what it is. But I love the IQ system. The IQ is just, Ninja, you did that. You did that, Ninja, because I could put the smoothie in and walk away and know that my smoothie gonna be made fine. So I love it. I recommend it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope my video answered all of your questions that you had. And if you have any more questions, comment below and let me know. But I will see you guys in my next video.
Let's cheerio to another video.